Welcome back to another episode of Yankee Liv'n. Brad here. This is a short video on some updates of this year's chicks. So grab yourself a snack, a coffee, or your favorite beverage. Meet me back here and we'll take a look at their progress. All right, a little bit better shot with the door open, whatnot. No, Mama, you can't come out yet. A little bit of a drop. All right, let's hit the bottom one. There we go. This brood here tends to be a little bit shyer. That's Buffy, the egg slayer back there, the surrogate mom there. She's got, I do believe, 7 chicks. 2 or 3 of them are guineas, and I've got 1 or 2 that is mixed with New Hampshire red rooster and I do believe, a Jersey giant, I think it is. Well, that'll do it for another episode here at Yankee Liv'n. And I'd like to take the time to thank each and every one of you for all your support to my channel. All the watch time, all the comments are very, very much appreciated. So until next time, wherever you are in your neck of the woods, be it morning, noon, or night, I hope you're all having a great one. Be good to one another, God bless, and take care.